Look around you in the classroom. Do you see anyone who looks exactly like you do? Never. We will never find anybody who will just look alike me. Even the identical twins, they are also having many differences. They also are not same A to Z. They are also having many dissimilarities. So forget about me and another one who is present in the classroom. In this chapter, you will learn that people are different from each other in many ways. There are different ways in which we are just not matching with another. There are different ways. It is not only through our looks that we are not matching with others. There are different other ways which will show that yes, we are not same. We are having many dissimilarities. Okay. So, not only do they look different, but they might also belong to different regional, cultural, or religious backgrounds. Yes, I am from a different region, I am from a different state, you might be from a different state. So, there are differences in our region. Then there are differences in our culture, the food I eat, the staple diet which I consider is exact for the state. It is not same for you. There are differences. Then there are differences in our religious backgrounds. Even in the same religion also you will find that the rituals are not observed exactly in the same pattern. These differences enrich our lives in many ways and also make them more fun. It's quite is it is what it is better to say that it is really true that because of these differences, our life it becomes quite interesting. It becomes quite fun. Otherwise, it will become quite monotonous, quite boring. That the same thing, same where everything the same. No, as there are differences, so there is life. There is some fun. And another proverb is there in English which says that variety is the spice of life. That means when there are different varieties, when there are different diversities, or when there are differences, at that time it adds spice in our life. It makes our life more enjoyable. All these different people who come from all kinds of backgrounds and belong to all kinds of religions and cultures help to make India so interesting and so diverse. Yes, because of these diversities only, India is such an interesting place to live in, such an interesting country. Just see, the language of West Bengal will not match with the language of Bihar. Forget about the differences in language according to the state. Even in the same state, if you, for example, we are living in West Bengal here, our language is Bengali. Now, if you go to the different districts of West Bengal, there you will find that the same Bengali language, it is just becoming so different. It is not remaining same. It is also changing. Forget about even the districts, even in the same district. If you try to match the Bengali language spoken in rural area with the Bengali language spoken in urban area, you will find vast differences are there in the way of pronouncing, in the way of saying. Some words which are spoken in rural areas are really you will feel that they are unknown to you, and vice versa. That means some words which are spoken in urban areas, if you say them in the rural areas, it will just become the matter same for them. They will feel that they will not be able to understand properly that what is the meaning of this word. What does diversity add to our lives? I have said it adds spice in our life, interest in our life, fun in our life. How did India become like this? Because many foreigners, they came to India and they started to stay in India. That's why. Then how did India become okay? Are all kinds of difference a part of diversity? Are all kinds of difference a part of diversity? Surely. Then can diversity also be the part of unity? Yes. At the end of the day, we have to just we have to admit something. What happened? Who disconnected the call? So at the end of the day, we have to admit something, that is, I may belong from this West Bengal, you may belong from the state Karnataka. At the end of the day, we have to say that we all are Indians. Here lies our unity. We may come from different regions, we may speak different languages, we may wear different types of clothes, we may just have the different sort of diet charts, we may follow different religions, but at the end we have to admit, we have to come to this ultimate truth that we all are Indians. Here is our unity. Okay. So read this chapter to find some answers. 3 children around your age have drawn the figures above. Beautiful figures these are. You may find them quite funny, but for me they are quite interesting because these pictures are drawn by the children on their own. They have not taken any help from any elder or any experienced person or any what to say, so any help from any teacher. They have drawn on their own, so really they are very beautiful. Use the empty box to draw your human figure. Draw it. It is not any sort of homework, just I am asking you to draw because for your relaxation only. You can draw this, and after drawing, what you will try to find out the similarities and the dissimilarities. Is your drawing similar to any of the others? Some similarities might be there, but exactly it cannot be the same. This one, Pratasha, okay, she has turned off the front camera. Very good. So the chances that your drawing is quite different from the other 3 which you can see are quite different from each other. They will never match until and unless you are just making the carbon copy of it. Surely your drawing will not match with any of these 3. Some similarities will be there, but exact similarities cannot be. There will be a huge amount of dissimilarities or differences. This is because each one of us has a unique drawing style. Why this drawing will not match? Because my drawing style is just my own. It cannot be the same of another one. There are differences. That's why it is said unique. Unique means which is just of its own, a single thing of its own. It cannot be the carbon copy of another one, or exactly of it cannot look or be the same like another one. It is completely different, or just something which is the person's own. It is not the matter of taken from somebody or followed from somebody. The style is just unique. We not only don't look exactly like each other, but also differ in terms of language we speak, our cultural backgrounds, the religious rituals we observe, and of course the way we draw. So there are differences not only in our looks, not only in our height or in our complexion or anything. There are differences in terms of the language we speak. About the language, I have already said you that even the Bengali language, which is spoken in West Bengal. If you move to different districts, you will find the language is changing. The language is not remaining exactly the same. And forget about districts. I've also said that if you go to match between these urban and rural areas, there also you will find that the language, the Bengali language is having such difference, such difference. So after that we are having the difference in our this cultural backgrounds. Our culture will not match the same. Then there is religious rituals. There will be differences in the religious rituals. For example, people who are following the Hindu religion, they are having right now the Navaratri going on, and or the Bashanti Puja in Bengal, and Navaratri in other states. Then the people who are following this Islam religion, I think that the Ramzan month is going on, and even if you, as I have said, that there are differences in observing the religious rituals also. For example, the way the Bengali people, they worship Devi Durga, it is not the same. It is not the same way the people living in Bihar, they are that means worshipping Devi Durga, or people who are living in South India, they are worshipping Devi Durga. Here also we will find huge differences in the same religion, in the way of offering the same deity or the same goddess. There also we will find huge differences are there in the rituals which are observed. And definitely at the end there is difference in the way we are drawing or we draw. So children, give a tick mark up to this, today this much only. And if you are having any query, doubt, anything, you can ask me right now. If you are having any query, doubt, anything, you can ask me right now. No sir. Navamita Shaha. Rahul, no sir. Yes, everything is very simple. We all know this type of things. No, these differences we know, that there is difference in our language, there is difference in our way of eating, there is difference in the way of we dress ourselves, there is difference in the way of following our religion, there is difference in the way we speak. Okay children, so it's clear to you, very good.